Did you know that beetroot can be a great ally for improving physical endurance and blood circulation? Many athletes and health-conscious people include it in their daily diet due to its numerous benefits. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, compounds that help dilate blood vessels, increasing oxygen flow to muscles and organs. This translates into more energy and better performance during physical activities, as well as aiding muscle recovery after intense exercise. Additionally, beetroot contains powerful antioxidants such as betalains, which help reduce inflammation and protect cells against oxidative damage. These components also contribute to a stronger immune system, preventing illnesses and promoting overall well-being. Another important point is that beetroot can help with blood pressure. Studies show that regular consumption of beetroot juice can significantly reduce blood pressure in people with mild hypertension, making it a natural option for cardiovascular health. For those aiming to improve physical endurance, consuming beetroot before workouts can be an effective strategy. It can be taken as juice, in salads, or even cooked, retaining most of its nutrients. Moreover, combining it with other vegetables such as carrot and kale enhances its effects, providing a burst of essential vitamins and minerals for the body. Examples of recipes include beetroot juice with orange, roasted beetroot salad with walnuts and feta cheese, and cooked beetroot seasoned with olive oil and herbs. Incorporating beetroot into your daily routine also helps improve digestion, thanks to its fiber content, promoting intestinal transit, and contributing to gut microbiome balance. Finally, it is important to note that, despite its benefits, people with kidney problems should consume beetroot with caution due to its high oxalate content. Therefore, before making significant dietary changes, it is always recommended to consult a nutritionist or doctor. Incorporating beetroot into your diet is a simple, natural, and delicious way to increase physical endurance, improve blood circulation, and care for heart health. Don't miss out on trying it and experiencing the benefits in your daily routine. Embracing healthy habits with functional foods like beetroot can transform physical performance and overall well-being in a practical and tasty way.
The channel's main mission is to transform solidarity into meaningful action. Every contribution received is directed towards supporting people in vulnerable situations, providing essential help in areas such as food, clothing, medicine, and, whenever possible, opportunities for reintegration into the job market. Sadly, many families face daily struggles to meet their most basic needs, and this is where the channel seeks to make a difference. Donations, whether large or small, are vital to keeping this movement alive. With transparency as a guiding principle, all collected funds are dedicated to initiatives that improve the quality of life for those who need it most. Beyond material support, the channel also promotes awareness campaigns, encouraging a culture of empathy and cooperation among its followers. We believe that every act of generosity can create a chain of hope, positively impacting not only those who receive but also those who give. By contributing, you become part of a supportive network that transcends barriers and proves that, together, we can build a fairer and more compassionate future. Your collaboration is more than a donation. It is an act of love and transformation.